How to use Pipedrive. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use one of the best CRM softwares around, Pipedrive. And I cannot emphasize how much it is important that you have a good CRM, especially as a small business owner, as this will help to grow your business even further, as you'll be able to collect important data on customers or clients, and you'll also be able to boost your sales. As you can see right here, Pipedrive drives users close to an average of 28% more deals after their first year. And the beautiful thing about Pipedrive is you'll be able to try it for free without using any credit card or anything like that, and you'll have full access to all of their features for that trial period. And you can also read the reviews that other persons have written about Pipedrive, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, all I want you to do is tap right where you see try it for free. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page, and you can see that the sign up process is quite easy. It normally takes within 2 minutes. So all you'll need to do is enter your email address right here. Then you'll tap on by signing up, you'll tap on their terms of service, and you'll also tap right here. So let me do that real quick. After you fill out that information, you'll be led to this page which title describes your job role, and you can select any one of these options. So I'll simply tap right here. Then what is your experience? Then you're going to scroll down and you can select any one of these options. Then you'll simply scroll down and you'll tap on next. You'll see how many people in your company will be using Pipedrive, and you can select it right there. How big is your company? At the moment it is only me, so I'll tap on 1. Then you can also select the industry that you are in. So I'll select agriculture for this example. Then I'm going to tap on create an account. After you have done that, from here all you have to do is simply fill out the CACHI right here. So let me do that real quick. Then tap on verify. Once your account has been created, you'll be led to this page, and I want you to pay attention to the left hand menu option. So if you would like to go back to the home page, all you have to do is tap on the P right there in the top left hand corner. And from here you can see deal, and you can see qualified, contact made, demo schedule, proposal made, and also negotiations started. And below that you'll see leads right there, so you'll see all of your leads, and you can also add new leads if you want by tapping right where you see add new leads, or you can import leads from your spreadsheet as you can see right there, or you can also try their lead booster for free. And also if you would like to try their live chat, all you would have to do is tap on live chat right there. But to try the live chat, you will automatically be charged $39 a month after the trial period, as you can see right there. And Pipedrive also offer a chat box or chat bot, as you can see right there. But again, to try this, you would go onto the $39 a month plan, as you can see there. And they also offer web forms, and you can also see prospects right here, and you'll also be able to track web visitors. And below that, you right here, you can tap on deals, and you'll be able to see the deals again. And you can also tap on projects, and you'll be able to track or create different projects using Pipedrive. So to do that, all you'll have to do right here is tap on try for free, and you can see create your first projects board, and you can use default names for board phrases. And after you have done that, you are going to tap on continue, and you can see try projects with your team. And all you'll need to do now, you can see one user will be $8. So since this is just a quick preview, I'll leave that as is, but you can try that in the future if you want. You can also check out your campaigns by tapping on the horn icon. So if you would like to create emails or so on, you can do that using Pipedrive. All you'll have to do is tap right where you see create stunning emails, and you'll be able to create emails, and they provide you with numerous templates that you can use. and you'll also be able to add your contacts and send automated messages to boost your campaign performance. As you can see right there, all you have to do is tap on get started for free, and you can see you'll simply tap on confirm and start trial period if you want. And below the horn you will also see the mail, so you'll be able to go into your inbox right here, or if you would like to create a new mail, all you'll have to do is tap on compose in the top left hand corner, and from there you will be able to create a new mail as you can see there. And also if you would like to integrate other apps, you can also do that. And by hovering over the top right hand corner, you can see that you can also access some calling and messaging apps directly from here. So all you will need to do is tap right there, and you'll be able to integrate other apps as you can see there, or you can choose to browse the marketplace. And below that you will also be able to view your activities, your coming activities, or so on. So you can tap on create new activities if you want, and you'll be able to create upcoming activities that you'll need to keep track of. You can do that right here by simply creating it, then you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you can go below it and you'll be able to see your contacts at the moment. And to add a contact is quite easy. All you'll have to do is tap on create new person, or you could tap on the plus right here. After you have tapped on the plus, you'll be able to fill in the person's name, organization, their label, and also their phone number and email address if you want. Once you have finished, you'll tap on save, and that's it. That's how to add contacts, and also to view how your site is doing, or better yet track your progress. You could tap on insights right here and you'll be able to do that. And you can also see the products right here, and you can see the marketplace. So this is how you'll be able to track your progress. This is your dashboard right here as you can see. So you can see that the user interface is quite good, and by going over to the left hand menu option again, you can see the numerous options right here. And also if you would like to go into the marketplace, you can do that by tapping on the last icon in the bottom left hand corner. And these are the other apps that are available for integration while using Pipedrive, as you can see right here. So you can integrate Facebook Messenger if you want. You can also add Google Meet or Zoom meeting, or if you would like to add AirCall, you can also do that as you can see right here. They offer numerous options. You can also add gravity forms or type form if you want. And to go back again, all you have to do is tap on the P in the top left hand corner. And from here, if I would like to add a new deal, all I would have to do is tap on the plus that says deal. Then I could add a contact person. So I'll simply add a contact person just for example. Then you can add organization. So I could type in organization right there. And after you have done that, you can add the value, and you can also change the currency. So at the moment mine is Jamaican dollar, but if I wanted, I could change the currency right there. Then you can choose pipeline. After you have done that, you'll see the pipeline stage right here, and you can also add the person's phone number and email address right there. And right where you see expected close date, you can tap right there and you can choose the expected close date. So let's say for example Tuesday. And after you have done that, you will see item owner visibility. So you can choose whether you want who. So you can choose better yet who you'd like to be able to view this. After you have done that, you are going to tap on save. So let me save that real quick, and you can see that it has been saved right here. And if you would like to add another one, all you have to do is tap on the plus right here, or you could tap on deal right here. And you can also select right where you see contact made. If you want, you could tap right there and you could add in the information right there. And by going over to the top right hand corner, again you can tap right where you see my apps to integrate other apps. And if you would like to add others to your team, you can do that. At the moment it is only me. So if you like to add persons, all you'll have to do is tap right there, and from there you'll be able to add persons, as you can see right here. And you can also sync your calendar, or if you like to sync your Google Drive or so on, you can also do that. And if you have any sales assistant or so on, if you want any help, you can simply tap right here for help. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.